Working on the pilot motor mount right now. And now taking off this computer, hitting the brackets on the body, and then I'm just gonna hit all the bolts and brackets on this engine mount and take it apart, lift the engine up, slap the new one in, call it a day, hopefully.
I think there's a bottom bolt still. Right here. And that one under the clip there. Underneath it right here.
Got it.
Call 800-895.
Well, he did it in the storage unit, basically. How he used to do it, I don't know.
Perseverance, patience.
I used to be like, bro, how does this big man fit underneath little tight spots that I don't fit?
He's like a cat.
He used to show me, but this how it fit. You know how when you're doing caves, that cave, he wiggles himself into tight spots.
Like a raccoon.
Wiggles with the fiddle.
Like a kitty.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, Chunky, you talking about me. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's the man, though. Chunky's the man.
Oh, my phone. Someone's phone.
Izzy's phone.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Call me, come back.
Damn, is that the... Hey, yeah, I was about to say, I think that's the tow truck now. Hector just called you.
Truck, right?
Yeah, Hector was just calling you too. This video is not sponsored by Apple.
See what I'm saying?
From a 30 to a 90 real quick.
Shit.
Miss a whole 100 shots.
Here, watch out. Go there.
A little bit of a different perspective.
I don't need my knuckles.
Get that POV.
Yeah, I'd be nice.
So what are we even trying to do here, Alex? That's like when you stacked markers on top of themselves as a kid.
This is my lightsaber now.
No one can defeat me.
Remember, well, I don't know if they got a core charge on them though. I mean, they say 70 here, but I didn't, you know what I'm saying?
This one's easy.
Two mounts and an oil change. You want to go mount happy? I mean, I let you work on all of them.
Where the fuck my flashlight go?
You got two more to go. You want to do
Two more to go? Oh my god.
But those are horrible.
Like if I got it, you need me to.
Those are horrible though. Those are horrible. Yo, line these up. Alex, line these up.
No, come pre-aligned. That's pretty good.
Not have to be perfect because we're not machines. But at least the ballpark, you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, because you see how it got little notches, the way it sits in there.
I'm sure when I'm putting it together, I would be like, damn, I got. I would have came across it, I'm sure.
I saved you a headache.
Yeah. 10-minute headache right there.
I'm done. I'm a little upset. Calm down, man.
Boy. Let me see this. Sorry. Get this.